Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Moss. Then put it back in. Here we are, installing that strobe effect. And the solid one is literally just like how you have the red one. Doesn't have any strobe effect, except that it's gonna be white to match your clear taillights. So now we got this one right here to match your taillights. Perfect, Redline Moss did it, right? So you guys can find it on my website. Comes with the adhesive promoter and also double-sided tape. So put the tape, open this and put this on the diffuser and also on the back of this. So it's good on both sides and literally super easy. And remember to remove the old harness that comes with the stock one basically. Remember to remove the old harness, the plug and play harness, because this is a little bit different plug. And it does come with there you go. Thought I had it. Oh, it's right over there. So it comes with a different a plug itself. So you would plug it into this one and plug and play just like that. All right. And also this does fit a Civic as well, except that the plug won't fit for a Civic. But I know a person did they cut it off. And they already had the plug and play for the Civic. So for the Civic, they just cut off the clip and they kind of spliced 3 wires in their stock, the one that they got with the Civic plug and play. So that worked for them. So just a heads up for somebody who might have questions on that. Show you guys how quick and easy this is. Literally take this. So feed that through here. Make sure it lines up even on both sides. Then you can press it in and you're good to go. Now it's nice, sturdy. Look at that, beautiful. And now you gotta run this wire from the bottom to top. I use my magnetic extender. I use that to fish it up here. And we'll just plug it into the taillight, so we should be good to go. So, if you come closer right here, to this part right here, you can see down there, you'll see the ground. So what I'm gonna do is look for that. I see the line, will come up. To go right here, just like that. And grab the excessive. And you want to go under the car a little bit and make sure that the wire is not under the diffuser. You want it above the diffuser so the wire is protected. It doesn't get like tangled or anything or pulled up by something like that. But as far as plugging it, this is it right here. This is all you gotta do is plug it. And plug and play into the taillights, alright? Just like that. And we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on first to show you what this would look like when the lights are on. This will stay on. Then I'm gonna hit the brakes and hold the brakes, because then you'll see the strobing effect. So it strobes, so I think 4 times, and then it goes into solid effect, which is pretty dope. So it's not like bothering the people behind you. I'm gonna hit the brakes and constantly hold the brake, so you'll see the full effect of it. And that's it. Yeah. So let's check it out. Keep watching. All right. You guys could also get the V3 taillights off my site as well. Perfect fitment and flushed, and no condensation, anything like that. Yeah, because of some more support is good. So as you can see, it's bright, it's really nice. Now I'm actually gonna go and turn signal and hit the brakes so you guys will see. Yep, that's it. So grab one for you guys today, and that's about it, fam. So if this video was helpful, I appreciate support. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of coming content. Make sure you guys comment below, so this video can go to other car enthusiasts. And if you guys haven't joined my Discord group, please do so. I'll put the link in the description, and we'll go from there. So peace out till next time, fam.